Clinical research is how new treatments for different conditions that affect people around the world are developed. A clinical research study, also called a clinical trial, is run by doctors and scientists to understand an investigational drug, therapy, medicine, medical device, or procedure. They look to understand if the investigational drug is safe, how it works in the body, and if it works to treat a specific disease. Clinical research study drugs are called investigational drugs because regulatory authorities such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, and the European Medicines Agency, or EMA, have not yet approved the drug that is being studied for use outside of clinical trials. Clinical research studies are done for all types of conditions, including celiac disease. The FDA and EMA are also responsible for making sure that the pharmaceutical companies that sponsor these studies are designing study protocols, the plans of action concerning the conduct, goals of the study, and the measurements used in the study to show safety and effectiveness of the investigational drug, ethically and with safety being of greatest importance.
Anyone can participate in clinical research, so sometimes that might be patients with a certain disease type or disease activity, but even healthy people who just want to advance science can contribute and participate in clinical trials.
Every clinical trial or clinical research study is slightly different. Majority of clinical studies do involve you to attend what we call study visits, either at a clinic or a hospital, and there you will meet with a team of study doctors, nurses, as well as clinical research coordinators to discuss the protocol and what the study entails. And you also may undergo some medical tests or procedures, also depending on the study design for that trial.